embodiments of light, welcome. Embodiments of love, welcome to yourself. Welcome you as self. Why are you here on this dimension? Who are you? Where are you from? And where are you heading? Is there a purpose? And this togetherness. When you see somebody, you say, what's your name? Where you come from? What's your job? You never say, how is your consciousness? Why is that? Because this planet, which was created for the enjoyment of divinity, lost its high vibrancy, frequency, and moved into a world of duality, dual too, meaning the oneness consciousness disappear. The field start cracking. And we think we are separate. As you are embodiments of light, of love, of divinity, you have power. You are powerful beings. Your thought manifests in your everyday life due to your power. The thing is, we are shifting paradigm. Yuga, which is known to all old, ancient traditions, cycles. If you ask me, Ma, what is the shape of time? I will tell you, it's round. Very seldom someone has asked me why my cards, my business card, which are device of energies, round, where there's no beginning and no end. There is no death. Everything has always been and will always be. The beauty is that now we have stepped into a glorious, glorious moment on this planet. Absolutely glorious. Where each and every one realize their potentiality and potential to manifest this oneness consciousness. Global enlightenment. That's what my guru taught me. My seva is. Who knows me as a worker here? That's the seva my guru gave to me. Global enlightenment.